Hi friends, in our last video we had a talk about slicing of a string, right? The way we used to write the things for a string, like suppose I am doing print and then giving the variable of my string, and in the square brackets I am giving some values like 2 and 5. Sorry, 2 and 5. So how it will come is THO, means it will start from the second element and then it will go till 5 minus 1, means fourth element, stop argument minus 1, right? So this was the way. But now today we will talk about the step arguments. So step arguments is nothing but the way to eliminate or involve some steps while executing or while counting the variables. Okay, so how we will have it, like the syntax earlier was start argument and the stop argument minus 1. Now we will just add one step in over here, so this will be the step argument. Okay, now suppose we have this 2 to 5, we will make it from 1 to 5. Okay, and let's execute it first. We got ytho. Okay, now I'll give a step saying 1. Now the step is the argument. See this how I added it. Now the step is the argument where you can give each and every steps in while printing the things. So it starts from 1, means y. It goes till 5, means stop argument is 5 minus 1, means 4, and it is taking one step each, means y is the 0th step, then t will be the first step, then h will be the one step, and o will be the one step, right? Then if we'll print it, we'll see ytho. Now suppose, to make you understand a bit clear, I'll give 2 as a step argument. If I'll execute it, let's see what it gives. It gives y and h. Why? So suppose y is my 0th argument, t is my first argument, first step. It eliminated the first step because I have given the second step to be involved, and then h is my second step. It involved the second step, then again the third step it eliminated, and if there would be any other steps it would have added those. Okay, so hope you are understanding this. Here you must be wondering what all operations we can do. So whatever operations we did with slicing, we can do it. Like we can have no arguments in over here and try to execute it, and see it starts from the first argument, means 0th value, and it went till the 5th value and it printed t and o. 0 1 2 means it got printed, 0th got printed, 1 got skipped, 2 got printed, 3 got skipped, 4 got printed. Okay, now if I only give this first argument, suppose I give 2, right, and no second argument, then if I'll execute it, I get t and o. 0th will be 2, and first h is eliminated, and then o is added. Okay, now suppose I only give the last argument 6, means this one. Let's see what we'll get. So it will start from the first, it will go till the end, but 0th will be printed, t will be printed, and o will be printed. Let's see, we get p, t and o. Okay, so 0th element got printed, first step it's removed, second step it got printed, third step is eliminated, fourth step is got printed, fifth step got eliminated, right? Now what about the negative elements? Let's see, suppose I give -1 in over here and I give -1 in here. Okay, so the first argument is from n and I have given minus, so negative. It will go opposite, it will go like from down, from up, from top to down, from down to up approach, means it will print n o h t y p. Let's print it out. See, it printed in a reverse order, right? Now if you want to make it like step -2, then let's see, so nyh. So now this is the 0th step, this is the first step, this is the second step. So 0th step got printed, first step got printed, sorry, second step got printed, third step we didn't print, fourth step got printed, means y got printed, right? So this is the way how we use the step arguments in over here. I hope you understood this, and please, yeah, like, share and subscribe if you are liking the videos. If you are not doing that, it doesn't give enough motivation. And the next part is the next video we are going to put an exercise because it's been long, we have not done any exercise. So next is exercise. Okay, then let's meet in the next video. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.